according to you, recently there is rise of these new technologies like AI, blockchain, big data. So, sir, how do you think that Pan IIT network can provide opportunities in this sector, or how do you think that these new technologies are overall changing the economy, society? What are your views? Because ये एक इकोनॉमिक अपॉर्चुनिटी भी बताते हैं, बट एट द सेम टाइम इकोनॉमिक चैलेंज कि भाई एआई की वजह से जॉब्स चले जाएंगे. तो आई थिंक वी आर एट अ पॉइंट इन टाइम जहाँ पे अगर हमने कुछ ठीक डिसीजंस लिए देन इट कैन बिकम रियल अपॉर्चुनिटी, सर, be it education sector or be it private entrepreneurship sector, sir. And I think the Pan IIT can act as a like a beacon of light to show the right path. So आपके views क्या हैं, sir?
Yes, absolutely. Whenever there is a new technology coming, so then there are a lot of apprehensions in the minds of people that whether this will help us or whether there will be job losses. I don't know whether you have seen a movie called Naya Daur. That was starring Dilip Kumar earlier, जो है black and white movie of course, and I think it is one of the very iconic movies where they had shown the conflict between this motorized cars and the tangas of that time, and there was a conflict. But whatever happens, people have apprehensions, but the change is always for the good and it creates more opportunity. So whether it is Naya Daur time or Industrial Revolutions 4.0 or now this knowledge data and AI coming up, so we all have apprehensions, but nothing like people just reorient. I'll give you one example. If you see earlier, the music, there was to be LP records.
Yes.
So LP records then gave way to cassettes. Cassettes gave way to CDs and DVDs. It gave way to the pen drives. It gave way to the iPods. And then ultimately in the smartphone, everything is coming together. Music is being created. Music is being consumed. Industry is growing rapidly. So what changes is the medium of delivery. So that's it. So people reorient every time to adopt to the new situation. And you are absolutely right. Then when AI is coming, there is a requirement of reimagining the jobs, reimagining the work, reimagining how the public service delivery will happen, reimagining how we will be using the public data sets available, how we'll be using the shared compute power, how we'll be using the algorithm to have things together. And let me tell you, it is going to do a lot of public good. When AI is there, or when you have such kind of the emerging technologies thing, you can see the ease of doing the governance, the ease of doing business. You see how the Kisan Samman money is reaching the beneficiaries, the direct beneficiary transfer is happening, DBT is happening, the JAM is there, and the government is trying to put in the digital public infrastructure in a major way here. You have the identity layer, you have the payment layer. At the moment, the unified payment interface, that is the UPI payment, is such an easy thing to do. We are roping in other countries also coming into our fold. And apart from that, government is also trying to provide the easy credit to people. The unified lending interface, ULI, and even the open network digital commerce, ONDC platforms are being created. So the point is, it will be very easy using this kind of public, digital public infrastructure to really redistribute either the benefits to be given to the beneficiaries, or to do e-commerce, or to do any kind of the government measures. And a lot of enterprises are being built. You see, there is Phone Pay, there is Paytm, there are other things. Fintech industry has grown like anything, and it is going to grow in future also at a very, very rapid scale. So all this is possible because of the digital public infrastructure. Now with the AI coming, and the government is putting out their data sets in public, so that people can train their models and they can utilize these models to solve the problems. And it will be all interoperable, and you can change the operators whenever you want to have. So in terms of the use cases, India is going to have the maximum use cases of AI. And that is going to create a lot of jobs, lot of enterprises, although the business models may change, people may have to reorient themselves, but it is going to create a huge opportunity. And let me tell you that we need to swim along with the AI current, not swim against the AI current. We need to make AI our friend, not AI our competitor. So we have to use it in that fashion.